Hi foodies, welcome to Aishu's Kitchen. Today I am back with a traditional and authentic sweet recipe of India, that is the sweet flatbread, which is popularly known as holige or vabbatu in Karnataka and famously known as puran poli in northern parts of India. To make this video even more sweeter, I'll be sharing you the recipe of shikarni, which is also known as amras. For many yummy recipes like this, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and do support me. Now let's get started. Now let me tell you the ingredients that I'll be using for making our sweet flat bread, that is the puran poli or holige. I have taken 1 glass of chana dal here, which is also known as Bengal gram. Of the same quantity I have taken jaggery here, 1 glass of jaggery, 1 glass of maida, half a glass of semolina, that is rava, and we'll be using oil for the preparation. And I've used here 5 elaichis, 4 to 5 elaichis. Now let's get started with the dish. Now to prepare our stuffing, we have to boil the chana dal. For boiling chana dal, I'll be using 2 glass of water in the cooker. For 1 glass of dal, you have to use 2 glass of water. And then add our washed chana dal. Now we'll close the lid of our cooker and leave it for 2 whistles. Until this is done, we'll prepare the dough for the sweet flatbread. Now let's prepare the dough. I have taken 1 glass of maida here. To this, I'll be adding half glass of semolina, that is rava. To this, we'll be adding pinch of salt. And then we'll be adding oil to it. 2 teaspoons of oil. We'll be adding it now, and once we knead the dough, again we'll be adding oil to it so that the dough is soft. Now slowly I'll be adding water to it and kneading the dough. Make sure the dough is very soft. Once after kneading the dough, we'll be adding oil to it, as I told before. And again knead the dough very well. Yeah, our dough is now ready. I've greased the oil also to the dough. So we'll close the lid and rest it for 2 hours. 1 to 2 hours we'll rest the dough. Now we'll prepare the filling of our sweet flatbread. We'll mix this both jaggery and dal together. You can even heat this mixture so that the jaggery is mixed well with the dal. After this is mixed well, we'll make paste out of it for the filling. Now to prepare the sweet stuffing or the filling, I have taken this chana dal which I mixed with jaggery. I'll be blending this and making fine paste of it. Let's heat our pan now. Until the pan is hot, let's prepare the sweet stuffed bread. Now both our dough as well as the filling is ready. Now let's get started with the preparation of our sweet flatbread. First, we'll take this dough, small ball of dough of maida here. Here I've used the pouch of the oil packet. I've cut this and spread it. So that it would be easy for making our sweet bread, flat bread. Into this, we'll fill our stuffing. We'll make a small ball of it and then stuff it. Then we'll close it this way. Make sure that you people are applying oil on top of it so that this doesn't get tore. Gently press this and make a cute little round of this sweet flatbread. Once the pan is hot, I'll be greasing oil on the pan. We'll add oil on top of it. Make sure that the flame is low or medium. We should not fry this in high flame. Once this is done, let us toss this slowly. We'll add oil to it. On top of it, we'll grease the oil. You have to toss them very delicately and softly so that they don't tear off. Now this is completely fried the other side. Let us toss this again. This is now done. Let us serve our hot sweet flatbread puran poli. When I told Mama that I'll be preparing sweet flatbread today, so she had brought these fresh mangoes also. I'll also show this recipe of amras, that is shikarni, which is famous in our North Karnataka. So this combination of sweet flatbread and the mango pulp is gonna rock the episode today. So I'll be showing you to prepare this shikarni also. So now let's get started with the preparation of amras. Here I have peeled the mangoes, the ripe mangoes, and we'll scoop all this pulp. This way. Here I have taken the pulp of all the 3 mangoes. To this we'll add sugar. If you want it to be more sweet, you can add much sugar. And we'll mash this with a spoon. Finely mash this. After adding the sugar, we'll also add this elaichi powder to it. 1 teaspoon of elaichi powder. So it gives good essence to the amras or shikarni or the mango pulp, whatever you call. I like this to be pulpy like this, so I am not mashing this much or not blending it also. Now to this we'll be adding pinch of salt, not much but pinch of salt, and half a glass of water to it, so that will make it bit thin in consistency, bit watery. So this is now ready to be served with our hot puran poli. Our yummy hot sweet flatbread is now ready. The Puran Poli is now ready. I have served this with the shikarni, the amras and with the ghee. I hope you all love this recipe. For many more recipes like this, do subscribe to Aishu's Kitchen and support me. Love you all. Bye. Take care.